November 19th, National Play Monopoly Day. Now, in my youth, a friend of mine's family allowed us to set up a Monopoly board in an unused room, and we would play and play and play, and sometimes we'd have a game that would go for a week or more. And then if somebody managed to capture all the good stuff and get hotels everywhere, then of course the game ended. But frequently it worked out where nobody had control, and we distributed all the money from the bank, and so in order for the bank to pay out, we had to send our money back to the bank and got a certificate of deposit, if you will. And sometimes we just came to a stalemate. But here's a guy that's really into playing Monopoly.